We're here at the Qualcomm booth, the Consumer Electronics Show. As you can see, Qualcomm brought all their automotive solutions for 4G and 5G platforms. You can look at all this. This automotive Snapdragon, Qualcomm Snapdragon. The Qualcomm Snapdragon chipset right there.
Now you can see people living.
And this is the another dual CPU for Wi-Fi 5 and Wi-Fi 6. And we have some other components here for the Qualcomm chipset. The Snapdragon is for Wi-Fi and Bluetooth here from Qualcomm. Is this a Wi-Fi dual Bluetooth Wi-Fi Bluetooth solution?
Yes, this is a Wi-Fi Bluetooth combo.
Okay.
And this Wi-Fi is dual band simultaneous.
Okay.
Wi-Fi 6.
Wi-Fi 6, Wi-Fi 5, and
This supports Wi-Fi 6 on 2.4 and 5 gigahertz at the same time.
Oh, really? Okay. At the same time.
Yes, and it also supports Bluetooth 5.1.
All at the same time.
Yes.
Nice. And is it ready, like in the market, or is still not?
Yes, it is in customers' hands. People are developing
products
with this, cars with this. The cars will come out in the next couple of years.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
So it's already something. The chip itself is commercial quality. Software and hardware will be middle of this year.
Okay.
And then cars will come later after that.
Thank you very much. Incubator, we have Quectel chipsets for 4G, and here you go. Now they have the 5G solution from Quectel. So tell us a little bit of this. I have the 4G LTE chipset for you guys.
4G you have?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I ordered it, and
Yes,
it came from
here-
Germany.
Germany?
Germany, they sent it for me to Germany.
Here are our automotive modules.
Oh, this is automotive
based on the
modules.
Qualcomm chipset.
Okay.
And this one is our biggest one is our 5G module. It can implement the 5G, 4G, 3G, 2G, and also with the cellular V2X embedded.
Really?
Yeah, and also we can have the multi-frequency, multi-constellation GNSS receiver embedded as well.
Nice.
Yep.
Super cool. When is this? Is this out of the market yet, or can you order it online, or still not?
Sorry?
Can you order it online, or still?
Sure, you can contact our sales in Europe. You're in Europe, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. All right.
All
Let me just finish here, wrapping up. This is Quectel's. It's in the Qualcomm booth. What's your relationship with Qualcomm? Are you guys?
But we are
They
the
own you?
we are the partner of Qualcomm. We're just using their
Okay.
chips to build modules.
Okay. All right.
We have our own booth in the Westgate.
Oh, Westgate. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. I think I saw it. Yeah. I see. I saw it.
Okay.
Yeah. All right, you guys are watching TechEDTV here. We'll see more of this when we go to the to the Mobile World Congress in Barcelona. But here, what mostly we see is antenna designs. For example, they have in this area here, if you bear with me, is 5G wideband antennas modules. If you can see that, those modules are pretty much just a little film, and they can do 5 gigahertz. Look at this one too. It's 600 megahertz to 6 gigahertz. 6,000 megahertz is 6 gigahertz. So these are the antennas, how they're gonna look like, or they look already for 5G. Look how this small there is. That's my finger. See, finger. It's very tiny. Similarly here, so in Gemalto, we have some examples of their processor for ultra broadband CPUs. That so you have an idea on how the 5G technologies are going to be deployable, how big they're going to be, form factor. Here, apparently, we have a 5G IoT performance lab with this antenna design with two, I think it's a 2x2 MIMO, and cool stuff. We'll see probably more of this during our visit to the Mobile World Congress in Barcelona in February. But for you to have a little bit of a sense on what's going on for smart cities and 5G infrastructure, for example, in this other company, V2X is vehicle to everything technology, where your vehicle is connected to everything. As shown here in the city, there's a lot of movement going on with all the wireless modules. So here you have 5G development board, for example. Take a look at this 5G development board. Had different 5G developer boards with LTE as well, LTE IoT. And here we have all their chipsets. Look at the size of those chipsets. And pretty neat. All right, so we're gonna wrap up from this section. I'm gonna move back to the other halls at the Consumer Electronic Shows before we head back home. For watching TechEDTV.